Ensure that the sealing line falls outside the lid margin and the wing side is aligned to the top of the lid. Hold the filter and lid together in this position. Align the bottom two holes with lock stumps and press all along the four sides for a secure fit. Place the mask on your face to check for a proper fit on the nose and lower chin. Hold the respirator in your hand and letting the headbands hang freely. Reposition the mask to your comfortable fit on the face and pull the bottom strap to position it on the nape of your neck. Pull the top strap and secure the mask by resting it high on the back of the head. Check the seal of the silicone all around the respirator. Readjust for a comfortably sealed mask. Adjust the height of the mask to create just enough space for your eyewear. Readjust the nosepiece region of the mask to prevent fogging. Having a temporary mark after use is normal due to a tight seal on the skin. Place the palm of the hand over the breathing vents and perform the seal test. A negative vacuum seal is felt all around the face. If you feel there is air leaking from any part of the mask, readjust the mask to achieve a seal and perform the test to confirm. Breathe safe.